Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another tutorial video. So guys, to start off this video, have you ever watched the effect like this on your social media? Yes, this effect or this transition effect can be named or can be mentioned as the split transition. How to create this such of transition or this effect? So in this video I will show you the step by step to create this effect. So please stay tuned and let's get into it. So the first thing I would do, I will go back to the homepage here, and I am using the Capcut from my Android phone, and I have also prepared the picture that we will use to practice and creating this effect. I will choose this picture. That's it. And after that I will select this picture and just let it the duration for this picture. I think it is 3 seconds, and I will also remove the watermark in the last clip. After I click that clip or this picture, I will slide the menu to become until I found the mask here. Then I will choose the horizontal and just let it be and just apply it. And after that I will duplicate this picture, and as you can see the second picture or the Capcut picture has appeared here. Then I will overlay here and it will jump to the second row, and I will move it as the position of the first picture. Then I will click the second picture and I will also go to the mask, click and click invert. There you go. And I will also apply it. And after that we can go into from the first picture or first clip here. So the first step I will do is add the keyframe here, and so does the second picture. And also I will put the keyframe in the middle of this picture here, and so does the first picture here. To make sure about this position, then I will click this picture first. I think it's second, yeah, the second picture. I will go to the mask first, then I will click and change the position. I will slide the second picture to become in the first keyframe. So I will slide this picture to the left, and also the first picture. And let's see the movement. There you go, that's it, the split effect. And you can also develop it and also add the effect or the filter, and you can practice to, let's say, create the mesh. And also create the mesh if you would like to, let's say, rotate it to become here. That can be also another creation, and you just need to do some adjustment for it. That's all guys, don't forget to practice it by yourself, and Please let us know if this trick also works for you. And also, if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also, don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and also subscribe our channel to know more and watch more or another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.